Yes guys, it's Vishnu here back with new videos. So how you all doing? Hope fine and great. So just follow me and subscribe my channel and like my video, and please watch this video by the end, because in the end I will give you tips which no one talks about. Let's continue. So today's topic is mouth ulcer. So tell me, who is here to tell me that who never have had this experience of mouth ulcer? I just want to know, and be honest with yourself. Yes, right, no one. We all have had the experience of this mouth ulcer, because this happen often, just like that. The routine of our brushing daily, this is the main factor which cause mouth ulcer. Without making this video very long without any reason, I'm just going to give you some remedies which you can fix your mouth ulcer from. So let's get started. Yes guys, number one is salt and warm water. All you have to do is take 1 teaspoon of household salt and dissolve this salt in a cup of warm water. After then, take this solution and swirl it around in your mouth 15 to 20 seconds before spitting it out. What it will do, it will kill the bacteria, help that mouth ulcer to be healed very soon. And try to do it in every 3 hours to get better result. Second one is clove oil. Now there is no one who haven't heard about clove oil. Okay, now clove oil has been known to provide relief in mouth pain. Even if you have teeth pain, then doctor might suggest you this clove oil. Even in some study published in Contemporary Clinical Dentistry, that clove oil has been successfully managed pain when it is applied on irritated area of your mouth. And you can get this clove oil easily anywhere in any drugstore. So simply go and get that. It's very easy. Third one is aloe vera. It's very easy to get to. Just go to any nursery or anywhere where you can get the aloe vera plant. Simply just cut it out on the spot. You don't have to make it ready, like you will take it to home, then you have to put something in this. Nothing like that. Simply go to aloe vera plant, just cut it on the spot and apply it on your mouth ulcer. And if you want better result, you can simply make a juice of aloe vera gel. It won't be tasty, but it's very healthy. So just make a juice of it and just drink it twice or thrice in a day, and you will see the result. And it will fix your throat problem also. You can get cold and cough, so you won't be getting this problem after doing that. And it's very, very, very effective in mouth ulcer. Fourth one is coconut oil. Now coconut oil has antimicrobial. What it does, it fights against the strain of bacteria in your mouth and increase the healing process of mouth ulcer. So what you have to do, simply just do swishing. In a simple word, I can say gargling. Do with coconut oil and you will see the result. The fifth one is zinc supplement. Due to lack of iron, vitamin B12 and zinc, we often have this problem of mouth ulcer. So you can simply buy a zinc supplement, okay? And what it does, it boosts your immune system. It doesn't allow this mouth ulcer or any other pimple thing on your face. You can go and you can buy zinc supplement from any drugstore. It's very easy to get to. Next one is apple cider vinegar. And the reason is I kept this in the last because it's very painful. If you don't have capacity to bear the pain, then I know you're not gonna like it. It's very effective. It's very effective. You know, if for 2-3 seconds it's a painful. Of course, it's painful, but it's very effective. So those of you who can bear the pain, simply take apple cider vinegar, take 1 or 2 drop of it, and just simply put on mouth ulcer. It's gonna be painful. Again, I'm saying, but it's gonna be very effective. Yes, guys. Last but not the least. The reason it always causes us this mouth ulcer is our brushing. There are so many other reasons, but the big factor, the big reason we often get this mouth ulcer is our brush. Now the thing is, you know, we are that much used to of brushing that we don't even know that we brush wrongly. So simply what you have to do, you have to pay attention when you brush. Okay, now when you're gonna brush, simply pay attention. This message is for those who often get mouth ulcer, not for everyone. So those who often get problem of mouth ulcer, because it's very painful, it's very annoying. So simply what you have to do, when you brush, simply pay attention. Pay very much attention when you brush. See where your brush is going. Okay, when you just do twice or thrice, after then you will get used to of this, then you won't get mouth ulcer. Second thing is, don't eat spicy food. Spicy food also causes mouth ulcer. So simply say no to spicy food and say no to not knowing and doing brush very roughly and fastly. Take your time, see where your brush is going, do slowly. That's all. Thank you very much, guys, to watch my video, and I will hope that you are gonna like this video, and please comment me if you want me to make video about some other topic. Thank you.